Hi guys, it's me, Princess, and welcome to my vlog.
1, 2, 3.
So for today's video, I have prepared 5 fruits, 5 vegetables, and 5 potted plants. So I am going to introduce you to them and to tell you their scientific name and the interesting facts about them. So now I am going to bring you to the potted plant section. Come. So these are the 5 potted plants that I have prepared. So for our first plant, this plant is called as white angel plant, and its scientific name is Rhytia antidicenterica. This plant is a medicinal plant in India. The bark possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and therefore the juice extracted from it is administered for mouth sores. So, for our second plant is called as spider plant. So its scientific name is Chlorophytum comsum. So this humble little spider plant is one of the 29 plants that NASA have brought to space. Spider plants have also been shown to reduce indoor air pollution. That's why it's one of the very popular house plant. So for our third potted plants, this plant is called as devil's backbone or zigzag plant. Its scientific name is Euphorbia tethymeroides. The milky sap of this plant is a skin irritant. The ingestion of this plant can cause vomiting and diarrhea. Eye contact with the sap is likely to cause pain and redness to our eyes. So for our fourth plant, this plant is called as Mayana plant or flame natto, and its scientific name is Plectranthus escotelia raoides. And did you know that this plant is used for immediate treatment of wounds, swelling, bruises, sprains, and cysts? So, for our very last potted plant, this plant is called as leopard lily or dumb king, and its scientific name is Dieffenbachia sanguinea. This plant gets its name from the temporary speechlessness that occurs after chewing a piece of its stem. Juices of the plant contains oxalates and other substances that irritate the mucous membranes and can cause swelling and inflammation of the tongue and the throat. Wow, it's me and my potted plants. Wow. That's our potted plant, and I'm going to bring you to our fruit section. Come. So, right here in front of me, these are the 5 fruits that I have prepared. So as you can see, we have banana right here, guava, apple, orange, and a pear. So as you can see, this is called as banana, and its scientific name is Musa paradisiaca. Bananas may be considered as a mood enhancer because it contains amino acid, tryptophan, and vitamin B6 that helps the body produce serotonin or happy hormone. So, if you're having a bad day, you may want to eat a banana to brighten up your day. So, for the second fruit, this is called as apple, and its scientific name is Malus domestica. Did you know that apple is a member of the rose family, and apple trees takes 4 to 5 years to produce their very first fruit, and its life expectancy is for about 100 years. And do not peel your apple. 2/3 of the fiber and lots of antioxidants are found in the skin. And for our third fruit, this is called as orange, and its scientific name is Citrus sinensis. Did you know that oranges are actually modified as berries containing volatile oil glands in the pits? And also, the orange production capital in the world is Brazil, producing about half of the world's orange juice and approximately 80% of the world's orange concentrate. So, for our fourth fruit, this fruit is called as guava, and its scientific name is Psidium guajava. Did you know that guava is often labeled as a superfruit because it has 4 times more vitamin C than an orange, 3 times more proteins, and 4 times more fiber than a pineapple, and 2 times more lycopene than a tomato, and slightly more potassium than a banana. For the very last fruit, this is called as pear, and its scientific name is Pyrus communis L. The wood from a pear tree is used in making furniture and kitchen utensils as well as smoking meats. And also, like apples, pears are also part of the rose family. In China, it is bad luck for lovers or friends to share a pear because it may result in a quarrel or separation. So if you don't want to fight with your family or your friends, stop sharing your pear. Whoa! It's me and my Brutas! Oh! So that's it! For the very last section, let's go to my vegetable area. So for the very last section, this is the vegetables that I have prepared. 1. This is a garlic, and its scientific name is Allium sativum. Did you know that there is actually a specific date to celebrate this vegetable? In April 19, it is the National Garlic Day. And also, the psychological term for someone with a fear of garlic is allium phobia. And garlic gets its pungent flavor from a chemical reaction that occurs when the garlic cells are broken. The flavor is more intense just after mincing. And the next vegetable is called as ginger, and its scientific name is Zingiber officinalis. Ginger is also used for making ginger beer by both Jamaicans and Greeks. These are basically traditional carbonated beverages. And also, did you know that there is an island called Ginger Island? But the only problem is that no one can cultivate ginger there, and there are no inhabitants on the island. How ironic, right?
Princess! Oh, Sarah! Magbalat ka na ng patatas!
Oh, teka lang! Ito yung patatas, and its scientific name is Solanum tuberosum. Did you know that the world's largest potato weighed in at 18 pounds and 4 ounces? This is enough for more than 70 portions of medium fries at McDonald's. This gigantic potato was found in England in 1795. And despite its appearance, potato is made up of 80% water and only 20% of solid.
Ate! Sayote?
Oh! Akin to! Ang scientific name nito ay Psidium edule. Did you know that the word for chayote in Brazil is chuchu or susu, which is also an affectionate name for someone such as cutie or sweetie. So that's a good idea for an endearment, right? And for the last but not the least, this is an onion, and its scientific name is Allium cepa. Did you know that New York City is called as the Big Apple? But before it was known as the Big Apple, New York City was called as the Big Onion because it was a place where you could peel off layer after layer without even reaching the core. Oh! May gulay! Wow! So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something about this video. And once again, it's Princess Clarete, and now signing off. Thank you, and God bless. Keep safe.